welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a Snickers ice cream cake. I got this from laurinthekitchen.com. Again, the links to every recipe in this video will be down there. My son special requested this ice cream cake for his birthday, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how it turns out. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. I mean, it's Snickers, it's ice cream, it's cake. I'm gonna be making the caramel sauce and the chocolate sauce and everything from scratch. So I think it's gonna be really good. So I hope that you guys stick along to see how it turns out. And if you wanna see, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So I first started making my coffee mixture with water and milk and instant espresso and just mix that and let it cool. And then I got going on my cake with my flour and cocoa powder, which I sifted. And then baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mixed that all together until it was combined, which was much easier without a whisk. And then I creamed my butter. Added in my sugar and mixed that until it was all nice and soft and as fluffy as I could get it to go. And once that was done, I got going on my eggs. And I beat those together. I don't know why, I just did. And then I added that to my mixture and added vanilla and mixed that all together until it was combined. And then added half of my dry ingredients and half of my wet ingredients. Mixed that together until it was mostly combined, and then added in the rest and mixed it until it was all smooth and combined. And then I divided them evenly between 2 cake pans, but this recipe only used 1 of them, and baked them until they were done. And then to make the caramel sauce, I added butter, brown sugar, white sugar, and mixed that. Let it boil for 6 minutes, or added in the heavy cream and then let it boil for 6 minutes. Then I took it off the heat and added sugar and then vanilla so the vanilla would not evaporate, basically the alcohol wouldn't cook out. And to make the caramel or the chocolate sauce, I added butter, salt, and chocolate chips and heavy cream. And just melted that down. This was pretty easy. But it's kind of funny because at first I was like, oh no, this is not gonna melt. Like I did something wrong. But then I just kept waiting for it to melt and then it looked good. So I was wrong. And then I got my cake on a cheesecake pan and put my vanilla ice cream down and smoothed it all out. Added my salted peanuts. And then I poured my caramel sauce on top, and I went pretty liberal with this. And then did the same thing with the chocolate sauce. And then I covered it with plastic wrap and popped it in the freezer until Birthday Boy was ready.
Okay, Raylan, what do you say?
Thanks, you.
Are you gonna taste it and let us know if it's love at first bite?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Do you like it? What would you rate it out of 10?
I don't know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time I film with you guys.
Say bye.
Bye.
Do you like it? Was it good?
Yeah, it's love at first bite.
Right.